Welcome back to the Remodel Report, the show where we break down what is really happening in kitchen and bath remodeling, one project at a time. I am Chris, and as always, I am here with my co-host, Jessica. Jessica, we have got a good one today.
We sure do, Chris. Today we are talking about a change at USA Cabinet Store down in Cary, North Carolina. They just rolled out something called a dedicated regional designer model, and honestly, it solves one of the most common headaches homeowners run into during a remodel.
Okay, dedicated regional designer. Break that down for me. What does it actually mean for someone who walks into that Cary showroom?
So here is the idea. Instead of getting passed around between a salesperson, then a contractor, then an installer, you get one designer who owns your entire project. From the very first measurement all the way through final installation, it is the same person. They handle design development, product selection, permit coordination with the town of Cary and Wake County, and even installation scheduling.
One point of contact the whole way through. That is a big deal. Because the number one complaint I hear about renovations is communication falling apart.
Exactly. And the data backs that up. The National Association of the Remodeling Industry, or NARI, points to consistent project management and single-point communication as critical factors in preventing delays and keeping homeowners happy. When you have one person accountable, things just do not slip through the cracks as easily.
And this is not brand new for the company, right? They tested it somewhere first.
Right. It is already up and running at their Fairfax and Chantilly locations in Virginia, and Cary is the newest showroom to adopt it. So this is a proven model they are expanding, not an experiment.
Let us talk about why Cary specifically. What is going on in that housing market that makes this timing make sense?
Great question. The Cary market is stabilizing. According to Zillow data from April 2026, home values in Cary average around $600,000, which is actually down about 1.4% year over year. Redfin puts the median sale price near $630,000, and that is significantly higher than the North Carolina state median of about $367,600.
So homes are pricey, and the market is cooling just slightly. How does that push people toward remodeling?
Because when the market normalizes like that, fewer people want to sell and rebuy at these prices. Instead, they invest in the home they already have. Emin Halak, the CEO of USA Cabinet Store, put it well. He said Cary and the wider triangle have many homeowners who value their neighborhoods and prefer reinvesting in their current homes rather than relocating.
That tracks. And a kitchen is usually the smartest place to put that money, isn't it?
It really is. The 2025 Cost versus Value report from Remodeling Magazine and Zonda found that a mid-range minor kitchen remodel averages $27,492 nationally, and it recovers roughly 96% of its cost at resale. That makes it the top interior renovation project for value retention. And North Carolina, in the South Atlantic region, typically matches or even beats those national return rates.
96% back. That is about as close to a sure thing as you get in home improvement. Okay, so if I am a Cary homeowner and I want to check this out, what does getting started actually look like?
Very low pressure. The Cary showroom offers consultations in a few formats: in-store, virtual, or a quick advice session, and they are all free. They also include complimentary VR 3D design services with no obligation to buy. So you can literally see your kitchen in 3D before you commit to anything. And the company is fully licensed, bonded, and insured.
I love the VRPs. Being able to walk through the design before a single cabinet is ordered takes so much of the guesswork out. Speaking of cabinets, what are they actually working with down there?
The Cary showroom carries 9 cabinet lines, and they really span the whole range. On one end, you have ready-to-assemble options, and on the other, you have German-engineered frameless construction. The lineup includes RTA cabinets, Fabuwood, Showplace, Ultracraft, Mantra, Legacy Crafted, 1951, Cabinetry, Birch, and Bauformat.
So whether you are on a budget or going fully custom, there is something on the floor for you. And who are they serving geographically?
The whole Research Triangle. That is Raleigh, Durham, Chapel Hill, Apex, Morrisville, Holly Springs, and the surrounding communities across Wake, Durham, Orange, and Chatham counties.
Before we wrap, give me the big picture on the company itself. Are these folks established?
Very. USA Cabinet Store was founded in 2011 and now operates 14 showrooms across Virginia, Maryland, North Carolina, Texas, New Jersey, Florida, and Tennessee. They have completed thousands of kitchen and bath projects, and they hold a 4.8-star average across more than 600 customer reviews. On top of that, they earned the 2026 NKBA Innovative Showroom Award at KBIS 2026 in the medium-sized kitchen and bath design center category for their Houston, Texas design center.
That is a serious resume. So the takeaway for today, Jessica, if you had to sum it up.
If you are in the Cary area and you have been putting off a kitchen remodel because you dread the chaos of juggling contractors, this dedicated designer model is built exactly for you. One designer, start to finish, free 3D design to preview it, and a kitchen remodel that returns almost all of its value. It is a smart way to reinvest in a home you already love.
Perfectly said. That is it for this episode of the Remodel Report. If you found this helpful, follow the show and share it with someone who is planning a remodel. You can learn more or book a free consultation over at usacabinetstore.com. Thanks for listening, everybody.
Thanks, everyone. We will see you in the next one.